again, boys, girls, friends, enemies, whoever, whatever. Now I'm having a bit of a rant on this one. The social media and the news, BBC, ITV, GMT, my God, what the hell is happening to this country? Now I know opinions are like arseholes and everyone's got one, but why the hell must they all be bad opinions? The amount of people that are just slagging everything off, and even the news programs and the newspapers have got into it. They seem to think vitriol, sniping and acidic remarks are the way to go. And I just don't understand it. I really don't understand it. Obviously Cummings and Boris are coming in for a right slating. All the news and media channels seem to have gone to the left. Extreme. And then you get on social media and there's some real nasty stuff on there, isn't there? I stick to Twitter and YouTube. Twitter, blocked anyone that's stupid. Don't mind opinions. Don't mind opinions from the left or the right. As long as they're intelligently or reasonably argued. But they're not, are they? Are you still on Facebook? I click on it occasionally. I'm very selective. I don't have many friends on Facebook, and that's deliberate. But a couple of the groups that I'm in, even they've started to turn nasty, so I should block them. Yeah, maybe I'm living in a bubble of niceness. I love a good argument, along with the next guy. But I want a good and reasoned argument. I want an argument that proposes an intelligent reason for disliking or disagreeing with something, not just abusive language and, quite frankly, being slagged off. That just shows a very low IQ. Are you on any social media? Do you watch the news? What's your opinion? Do you agree with everything they're doing and saying and the way? I mean, I'm wondering if this country is now ruled by a government or is it ruled by media? I have to say, out cycling on your own with a mask on, don't think he's quite got the idea. I'm pretty sure he's more than 2 meters from anybody. Oh bless. That's the other thing, it's 2 meter rule. Well, overcooked that one. Alan, that was a bit silly. Mental note, there are some sharp buggers on this little lane. I don't think I've been down this one for years. Am I in the wrong for picking up on news channels being, for want of a better word, nasty? Waddler. Let's go all over the road. I know, it's just doing my head in a bit. Nice house. It's a lovely day. It's about 25 degrees. Can you blame me for wanting to get out? That was a short one. Go on, give me your opinions. Mass social media and news channels. What are your news channels like if you're not in Britain? No idea where this one goes. Ugh. Goes into cyclists. Oh, that was it. Just a very short one. I've lost the habit of doing vlogs. Isn't that strange? I've actually lost the willpower. No, the mental thought processes. I struggle. Yeah, bye. Have fun. Be happy. Smile at the miserable buggers. And get back to me with your thoughts. Bye. Lovely. Oh, and the smell of the blossoms. Bye.